Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I recently took up stand-up paddleboarding, and although I love standing up and paddling around, sometimes I just want to sit and paddle and enjoy the ride. That's where this penban kayak seat attachment comes in. This is so awesome. It fits my 10-foot 6-inch sup. It's so easy to install. My sup has D-rings along the side, and I just attached the straps to those and then adjusted them to where it was comfortable for me. You can adjust it so that you're sitting completely straight up, or you can kind of adjust it so that you're leaning back, whatever's gonna be more comfortable for you. I also love that when I'm tired of sitting, I can just lay it flat on the paddleboard and I can stand up and start paddling around again without it getting in the way. The seat itself is very comfortable. The padding is quite squishy and comfy, and I just love that. There's also a detachable pouch on the back, so I like that it gives you a little bit of storage if you want that, somewhere to put your water bottle or hat or sunblock, but you can also take it off if it's not necessary. I'm so happy that I found this penban attachment. It really gives me a lot of flexibility when I go out on my sup. I think that you should check it out if you're looking for something similar, and that's my point of view.